What is better, two-stroke or four-stroke bike? At number 1 is sound. First two-stroke sound. Second four-stroke sound. At number 2 are wheelies. First two-stroke wheelie. Second four-stroke wheelie. At number 3 are jumps. First two-stroke jump. Second four-stroke jump. At number 4 are rev limiters. First two-stroke rev limiter. Second four-stroke rev limiter. And the last are insane bikes. First two-stroke 1000 cc. Second four-stroke turbo Hayabusa. What would you choose, two-stroke or four-stroke? Comment, what do you like more?